receive a total of 5,000 pesos. For our second placer, they will receive 8,000 pesos. And from 10,000, our grand winner will receive 15,000 pesos. Kaya palakpakan naman natin yung mga sponsors natin. Truly, they are generous. Siguro natuwa din talaga sila sa mga pinakita ng mga entries natin. Kaya nagdagdag sila ng mga papremyo. And right now, each one of them nga pala will receive customized hybrid medals. Alright? So ngayon, the judges are still tallying our scores kasi napakahirap naman talaga. And grabe, intense din yung mga reaction nyo sa mga entries natin. So ngayon, hinihintay lang natin yung results. And again, I would like to thank din, ngayon, I will take this opportunity na rin to thank GUDC for inviting me here. By the way, I am Kaiser Buado, and it is an honor. What an experience to be hosting this event. And now, while they are still tallying, may I request the judges na rin? Or I'll take pa more sponsors muna, no? Ayan. Thank you so much. Hybrid 2024 Choreography Competition, because this is brought to us by Sheldon Dacalos Filipino Homes and Salvo Events Management. Thank you, Mr. Sheldon Dacalos, for your kind support. And of course, Sir Dan, maraming salamat po from Salvo Events. Thank you so much for supporting this cause. Ayan, maraming palakpakan naman po natin sila. And ngayon, we are just waiting for the result. And I'm sure neck and neck yung laban natin. Sa tingin nyo, sino kaya mananalo ng grand winner? Kumbaga, sino magiging grand winner? Alam ko, may mga favorites kayo. How about you, ma'am? Kayo po. Dito, lakad muna ako dito while we're waiting for the result. Ma'am, sa tingin nyo, sino mananalo ngayong gabi? Or ano na lang, sino sinusuportahan niyo tonight? Kinsa? Doon ako. Sige, pero I'm sure, i-describe ninyo, kinsa, tanaw ninyo, kinsa dito. Katuma naghubo, no, kanay abs, no? Dili. Pero thank you so much. Maraming salamat for sticking around. We appreciate you guys being here kahit ganito nakalate. Dito tayo. Anong grupo ba itong nandito? Pakilala muna kayo.
We are the Square One. Thank you.
Ayan, palakpakan natin yung Square One. Nandito pa rin sila hanggang ngayon at napakataas pa rin ang energy nyo. Isang au. 1, 2, 3, go! Au. Di ba? Mararatag mga hero, no? Pero sa tanaw ninyo, kinsa kaya ang grand champion nato tonight?
Dili ko makasay. Kung ako'y judge by, maglisod ko. Like, what the fuck? So very gahi magayo mo, guys. Kanang solid kayo tanan bay, worth it kung kinsa may ma-champion. Pero siguro, ang maingonan nako sa inyo guys is sana kahit anong mangyari guys, whatever the result guys, please accept it kasi you did your best guys. I love you all. And also kung sino mang ma-champion guys, libre mong shot o niya. Let's go.
Ayan, di ba? Wise words. Dito sa mga nandito sa gilid. O dito naman. Sir, sino sinusuportahan mo ngayong gabi? Kaila. Sige lang. Pero, based on your observation, kasi as a spectator, since wala ka nang kilala sa mga crews natin, sino sa tingin mo, i-describe mo or kung alam mo yung name ng grupo na nagpabilib sa'yo tonight?
Si Russell.
Russell, nasan yung mga supporters ni Russell? Ayan. I think si Russell yung healthy. Yun ba yun? Yun, healthy. Pero grabe, no? Grabe, ang gaan ng katawan. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat. Ngayon, dito tayo sa gilid. Sino pwede ma-interview dyan habang iniintay natin yung result? Meron ba? Ayan, may mga tinuturo. Dito tayo. Kanang kusog manudlo, kana na lang. Sir, kung sa'yo pangalan mo, sir?
Neil po.
Nilo? Neil. Okay, si Neil. Murag Bisaya rapod kaya akong Nilo. Anyway, Neil, kamusta? I'm sure part ka sa dance community sa Davao. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, kamusta naman ang experience? Unsay pinakaganahan nimo about sa culture sa Davao community, sa dance community sa Davao?
Kanang...
Sir, gusto nila makita imuhang kagwapo So, tindog daw, tindog daw. Ay, kaulo, sir. Ha. Kala, sir, kamusta naman ang imong experience ug unsay pinakaganahan nimo sa Davao dance community?
Ano ka na, supportive kayo ang mga dancers dito sa Old Davao.
Ayan, the support that they're getting, mo na murag pinakaganahan ni Sir Neil. And aside from that, sir, any message para sa community?
Good luck.
Good luck daw sa community and 2 more years pa to come. Salamat. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Neil. Dagan kayong salamat. Palakpakiputin niyo yung amigo. O pag na-interview mo, palayo mo tanan mo. Dito naman tayo, dito sa gilid. Ayan, sino pwede ma-interview dyan? Kinsay gusto ninyo representative? Okay, si Sir daw, si Sir. Sir, ikaw na yun. Wala na yung likayin eh. Sige, Sir, storya na lang. Takahapit alas 12. Kaya, Sir, please stand up para ma-recognize mo ka sa ubang mga... O, di ba? O, sa tong syagit, isa pa daw?
Go, Kuya Kino!
Ayan. Say name ni mo, Sir. Sorry, wala kayo na.
Kino.
Kino? Ayan. Hi, Sir Kino. From what group? Crew?
Sa S51.
Ayan, si Sir. Pero karon, Sir, kinsay mo ang feeling nimo ang makakuha sa ato ang title of Hybrid 2024 Choreography Competition? Afro Davao. Tama ba? Muna sila katong mga paspas kay DL. O niya, nag-absabs. Tama? Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Kino. Maraming salamat. So, we have our different opinions. We have our different favorites. But one thing is for certain, everyone did their part. And of course, we are all entertained. Kaya naman, tuwang-tuwa tayo sa ginawa ng mga crews natin tonight. How about to? May napansin ako dito, gwapong lalaki. Kamukha ng anak ni Gio Ong. Si Jayon. Sir, Ong Fam. Kamusta naman, sir, yung experience mo tonight? By the way, what's your name pala? Para sa mga hindi nakakakilala.
Sean Lu.
Ayan, hi sir, good evening. Yun, gaya ng tanong ko kanina, how was your experience tonight?
Okay lang.
Okay lang, pero napanood kita yung kayo ni Sir Brian kanina at sobrang galing, sir. Ilang taon ka na ba sumasayaw dito sa dance community ng Davao?
Since 8 years old.
Since 8 years old. And if you don't mind, ilang taon ka na ngayon?
17.
17. So you've been dancing for 9 years and kita naman natin yung result. Pero anong advice mo, sir, para din sa mga ngayon lang nag-start magsayaw? Baka meron kang words of wisdom dyan.
Lingaw-lingaw lang.
Ayan. Simple lang yung message. Just enjoy what you're doing because if you love what you're doing, and what you're doing will also love you back. Napakagandang prinsipyo nun, sir. Ngayon naman, dito, balikan natin. Kala ko co-host ko siya buong gabi. Pero gibiyaan ko niya sa stage. Murag ako na lang yun mag-isa. So balakbakan naman natin. Isa sa mga banggiitan o bagtik nga pillars of GODC, Joey A. Zulueta. Sir Joey, I'm sure dagan, Sir Tindugi, you should set an example para sa atong mga younger generations. Ayan. Diba? I'm sure a lot of people here, a lot of dancers, for the lack of a better term na lang, look up to you. Isa ka sa mga tinitingala nila as an example. And baka meron kang words of wisdom na pwedeng i-impart sa kanila.
Well, before anything else, I would like to greet and welcome the Tagum City Dance Community for joining here. Salamat kaayo. So, mo na niya ito ang ginahulat, na naabot na kita diri sa Davao o ma-recognize ang atong community sa Tagum City. So, thank you so much sa pag-join and pag-participate. So, katulang, Kaiser, I think you have to you have to kanang be yourself lang, Kaiser, and pagkahuman, maging buutan lang sa isa't isa, and then i-welcome lang yun nato ang mga money siya. Ang purpose aning gathering nato sa Convergence is mag-ila-ila tang tanan, mag-ilahanay, and then love one another and support one another. And again, thank you so much to Master Brian for organizing this event. Hopefully magiging every year na gini siya, mas mudako pa ni siya. And hopefully next year na pag mo appeal pa nga taga Visayas and Manila, Luzon. So that's it.
I'm pretty sure lalaki pa ng lalaki tong community na to. 'Di ba? Aabot to. Right now nga, you've been starting yung sarili mong community sa Tagum at yun yung binati mo kanina. Ilang years na ba kayo as a community sa Tagum?
2 years pa lang po kami sa Tagum City Dance Committee. Also with the help of Master Brian. So siya yung nag-guide sa amin. So thank you so much once again.
Ayan, maraming salamat Joey Zulbeta. And I guess we have now our results. Are you guys ready? Okay. Hold on daw muna. Wait lang. Tutupiin ko lang to. Kasi iikot muna ako ng saglit. I'm pretty sure dito din na side may mga gusto magsalita. Gusto ko yung mga nagtatago. Sir, gusto mo ba? Pero from what crew, sir?
Comrades po.
Taga saan po?
Davao.
Davao. So sir, any message para dun sa mga teams or crews na nanggaling pa sa malayong lugar, since you're a Davaoenyo, ano masasabi mo po sa kanila?
Thank you for coming sa Davao. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung Davao po.
Ayan, short but sweet. Sa mga, thank you sir, maraming salamat po. Doon sa mga nanggaling talaga sa malalayo pang lugar, maraming salamat for joining us tonight. Diba? Effort din yan na magpunta sila dito. Pamasahe, pagod. Tapos bukas baka may trabaho for classes yung iba. But still, they are here. Sunday nga pala. How about you, sir? Dito naman tayo kay sir, naka-hoodie na black. Kamusta, sir? Ayan, sir. Namata. Kagalit, no? O sa'yo pangalan ni mo, sir?
Ivan Hamsali po.
Ivan, murag ikaw to, no? Okay. So ikaw, kung sa'yo pangalan?
Ivan.
Ivan gede. Sir Ivan, from unsa nga team?
Off limits po.
Off Limits. You were the first one to perform kanina, di ba? And congratulations, you did good. Kaya excuse me muna, dito na muna ako. Kasi we are about to find out who will win Hybrid 2024. Alright, once again, thank you so much for all the crews that participated or entries that participated. Maraming salamat po for coming. And now may I request the judges to please join me here on stage. Judges Melvin, Jack, and Dustin. And Davao Dance Community, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating judges. It was not an easy task to choose between those contestants. Napakahirap. Grabe. Kahit ako nagbabago-bago din yung favorite ko eh. Pero eto na nga. Okay. Alright, here we go. We are about to find out kung sino ang ating top 3. Alright. Alright. And again, I would like to reiterate that our third placer will receive 5,000 pesos, second placer will receive 8,000 pesos, and of course, our grand champion will receive 15,000 pesos. And of course, every one of them will receive a medal, a hybrid medal. Now, alam ko, late na, pa-party pa kayo kasi Sabado ngayon, kaya i-announce na natin to receive 5,000 pesos and a customized hybrid medal. And our Hybrid 2024 Choreography Competition third placer is... Our third placer is entry number 5, Fritz and Albert. Yeah. Congratulations, Fritz and Albert. You guys are our third placer. And you will receive 5,000 pesos and a customized hybrid medal. May I request Mr. Brian to be here on stage? Yeah, para sa picture taking natin. Ayan, judges. Once again, everyone, a round of applause for our third placer, Fritz and Albert.
Shout out to my team, we be out there doing them right. Girl, come to my place, I don't pay no clothes.
Congratulations. Please stay muna kayo sa stage and let us now welcome our second placer. Our second placer will receive 8,000 pesos and a customized hybrid medal. Dabaweños, your hybrid 2024 choreography competition second placer is entry number. Sino gusto nyo? Entry number 25, Afro Davao. Nagbunga ang six-pack abs. Congratulations, guys. All right, please. Yan, picture muna tayo, okay? Eto na, please, tulungan niyo ako sa last part. Dapat masaya tayong uuwi at punong-puno ng energy. Eto na again, congratulations, Afro Davao. Ngayon naman, ladies and gentlemen, ang pinakahihintay niyong lahat, eto sana, isigaw niyo kung sino sa tingin niyo ang Grand Champion ngayong gabi. Come on guys, you can do better than that. Para mas masarap tayong uuwi, di ba? Puno-puno ng energy. Sa tingin nyo, who will be the Grand Champion of Hybrid 2024? All right. Our champion will receive 15,000 pesos and of course, a customized hybrid medal. Ladies and gentlemen, oh yeah, meron din pala ditong additional prize na marireceive nila. They will also receive a free haircut from Rycuts Barbershop. Okay, here we go. After that, pagupit na diretso. Your Grand Champion for Hybrid 2024 Choreography Competition is... Everyone, sino sa tingin nyo? May mga naririnig na ako. Sino sa tingin nyo? How about on that side? Sino sa tingin nyo? Your Grand Champion for Hybrid 2024 is... Entry number... Entry number 22, Jeho and Ayman! Congratulations! Once again, congratulations, Jeho and Ayman, for winning this year's Hybrid 2024 Choreography Competition.
Don't know what it's gonna be. The winner like me. D to the M to the X.
Ayan. To our champion, picture muna kayo.
I show no love. If the yacht below the flow.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, your Hybrid 2024 Choreography Competition champion, Jeho and Ayman.
Something's got a hold on me lately, though I don't know myself anymore.
And again, congratulations to all our participants for this competition. Grabe, you guys did your part and sobrang na-enjoy talaga kami. Maraming salamat. And now, and again, congratulations at maraming salamat sa mga, by the way, tomorrow, we have Tribal Wars. So everyone, picture muna kayo, ha? So, bukas sa mga wala pang ticket, pwede kayo mag-purchase ngayon for only 200 pesos. At pag nag-walk-in kayo bukas, 300 na yon. Kaya ngayon na kayo bumili. At magkita-kita tayo bukas. Again, I am Kaiser Buado. And this is Hybrid 2024.
Slowly into hearts of men who